Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for Social Security. First, you'll need to determine your eligibility based on your work history and age. Then, gather all necessary documents like your birth certificate and W-2 forms. You can apply online, by phone, or in person at a Social Security office. We'll walk through each step to ensure a smooth application process. To be eligible, you typically need 40 work credits, earned by working and paying Social Security taxes. You can earn up to 4 credits each year. The easiest way to apply is online through the official Social Security Administration website. Alternatively, you can call their toll-free number or visit a local office. Applying a few months before you want benefits to start is a good idea. When applying, you'll need your Social Security card or a record of your number. Also, have your birth certificate or other proof of age ready. If you're not a U.S. citizen, provide your U.S. immigration documents. For earnings, gather your W-2 forms or self-employment tax returns. Having these documents prepared will significantly speed up your application process. Remember, your benefit amount is calculated based on your highest 35 years of earnings. If you have fewer than 35 years, some years will be counted as 0. Consider delaying benefits past your full retirement age, as this can increase your payments by 8% each year up to age 70. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.